For making this amazing fire recipe, you will need a cucumber. Cut the cucumber to make it slice. It's easy to blender. Start eating a cucumber a day, see what happens to your body. If you mix cucumber with honey every day, you will thank me 100 times. Think natural. Pure recipe. Garlic mix honey with cucumber. It's a natural, good, simple recipe. Wake up your sleeping hero by this drinking. How to make your manhood booster food at home. It's honey, cucumber, garlic and carrot. It's health tips. Just comes cucumber. If you want to get longer, stronger and bigger your joystick, drink this 30 minutes before your journey in bed. Fire her engine at night. Go from 2 minutes to 1 hour man. Take all the ingredients to a jar. Add 250 ml water. Blend it to make a juice. Strain the juice on a cup. Please click the like button and subscribe for next video. Strain the juice. Now it is time to add 1 teaspoon of raw honey. Mix it properly and drink. You will be a king in bed. Wake up your sleeping hero by drinking this regularly. Thanks for watching.